Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Well, how did it go with Lady Lady line 1, hands together? Have you been working hard at it? If so, that's awesome. I'm proud of you. Today we're going to work on line 2 of Lady Lady. So let's come to the piano to get started. All right, let's place both hands in the E flat major pentascale. Although, since the left hand begins with the 5-7 chord, let's now move our finger 5 of the left hand down to D, so we're ready for that 5-7 chord. To review, before we tried hands together, let's just play the left hand alone once, going through the whole line 2. Remember, we do 2 5-7 chords, 2 1 chords, 2 5-7 chords, 2 1 chords. Get ready with the left hand. Let's try it together and count the beat. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1. Back to the 1 chord. 1, 2, 3, 1. Now 5-7. 1, 2, 3. Back to 1 chord. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now, so we get used to how they sound together, you play the left hand while I play the right hand. Okay? Can you be in charge of that? Doing the 5-7 chord, going back and forth. Count the beat. I'll play the right hand, you play the left. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now 1 chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Back to 5-7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. Now let's change jobs. You're going to be the right hand while I'm the left hand. Okay, let's practice just the right hand once. Okay, get in position and let's count the beat while we play the right hand. Finger 4 on A flat starts out. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, if that was hard for you at all, you're probably not quite ready to do it hands together. If so, press pause and just work on the right hand alone until you can play it perfectly while counting the beat. There's no point in trying it hands together if you're still struggling with one hand alone. Now, if you're totally successful on both hands alone, then you're ready for the next step. I'm going to play the left hand while you play just the right hand, so you get used to how that sounds. Okay, get in position for the right hand. You're going to start finger 4 on A flat while I play the left hand chords. Count the beat with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sweep it high. Sweep the cobwebs out of the sky. Good. Now, if you're able to do that, now you're ready to try it hands together. If you need to go back and review any of those things so far, feel free to rewind, try again, or press pause. If you've been successful, let's keep going, and now try this hands together. So put the left hand on the 5-7 chord, and here's what it's going to sound like the first 2 measures. You're going to have sweep it low. It's important to notice that sometimes the right hand holds a note while the left hand keeps going. Sweep, on the word sweep, you have a half note in the right hand. So the left hand gets to play 2 notes. But then on the word it's a quarter note in both hands. And then on low, you have a dotted half note in the right hand while the left hand goes 1, 2, 3. Putting it together, you get sweep it low. Now, I'd like you to press pause and try that 5 times. Just those 2 measures. Press play when you're ready to go on. Super. Now let's try the next 2 measures. Here we have sweep it high in the right hand. Together with the left hand, it will sound like this. Sweep it high. All right, press pause and try that 5 times. Then press play when you're ready to go on. Good. Now we're ready to go on to the next section, which is similar, although the rhythm's slightly different. The left hand comes back to the 5-7 chord, and this time we have sweep the cobwebs cobwebs out of the sky. Good. Now, I'd like you to press pause and try that section by yourself 5 times. Then press play when you're ready to watch me put all of line 2 together. Good. I know you've been working really hard, and if this is feeling super challenging, then you're not alone. Lots of students find lady, lady, hands together a real challenge, but if you work hard and keep at it, you're going to get it and feel really proud. Now, line 2 all together will sound like this. You can just watch once, or if you're feeling ready for a challenge, you can try playing along. Here's line 2. Ready, set, go. Sweep it low, sweep it high, sweep the cobwebs out of the sky. Okay, now press pause and try all of line 2 without stopping, hands together. Press play when you're ready to go on. Last thing I'd like to do today is show you what the whole thing will sound like from the beginning to the end with the repeat sign, hands together. I'm going to take it nice and slow, so if you've been practicing and you'd like to try playing along, you can. Otherwise, you can just watch and listen and then try it on your own later. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Just a couple of advanced tips for this song. Remember, when you're repeating your finger 5, to play it near its tip, not flat. Another thing I'd like to mention is that since the right hand is the melody and the left hand is the accompaniment, see if you can play your left hand as quietly as possible while the right hand's a little bit louder. Sometimes I hear students play it like this, really banging out the left hand, but then it's harder to hear and enjoy the melody. So try to balance it by playing the left hand quieter and the right hand a little louder, like this. If that's really hard at first, another thing you can try is just playing the right hand alone while the left hand just barely touches the keys. You're not even going to make a sound. Just pretend like you're tiptoeing on the keys while the right hand plays as loud as possible. That will probably feel really hard at first. But if you try that once and then let your left hand just barely play while the right hand plays quite loudly, and then before long, you'll learn how you can adjust the volume of individual hands so you can get this sound. You want a nice clear melody in the right hand while the left hand is just providing a happy but not too loud accompaniment. Nice work getting started with line 2 of Lady Lady, Hands Together. But your work isn't finished yet. Now it's time to practice lots on your own, every day until it's mastered. Remember, I recommend starting your practice every day with what feels like the hardest part for you, which may be different every day. Choose a very small section to focus on, maybe just 1 or 2 measures. Play it slowly and carefully 5 times or 10 times with no missed notes. Then choose another section to focus on. End your practice session by trying to put everything together. Once you can play the whole song hands together, then try practicing it with the metronome. Start slowly with the metronome at between 88 and 100 beats per minute, playing one note per click. If you can play it with no missed notes, then move the metronome to a slightly faster setting and try it again. Keep repeating this until you get to your final performance speed of about 168 beats per minute. That will be your goal speed. Remember, you have to earn the ability to play fast by practicing it slow. Once you have it mastered hands together at full speed and with no missed notes, please make a video of yourself playing and upload it to our online recital hall or share it with me on Facebook. I would really love to see the results of your hard work and practicing. So have fun with this challenge and see you next time. Princess, I'm ready to play for you. Okay, let's hear it. All right, here goes. Scuba, scuba, you practiced hard on your tuba. I did practice hard. That's what made you so good. Now I'm gonna go learn another song. I have a feeling we're going to be hearing a lot of tuba from Scuba.